Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you answered a phone call from someone you didn't know in a public place. You should say when and where it happened, who called you, what he or she said, how you corresponded, and explain how you felt about the experience. So for a question like this, you can talk about anything. Maybe you received call from some insurance agents or you received call from some bank who are trying to promote their offers, right? Usually people get calls from these kind of people all the time and they are trying to promote their products and services. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I usually attend calls from my friends and relatives or from numbers which are already saved in my contact list due to increasing rate of spams occurring. However, today I would like to speak about a time when I responded to an unknown call. So spam means fraudulent. I vividly remember that a couple of months back, when I was on my way back home from my tuitions, I received a call from an unknown number which I did not pick up initially and disconnected immediately. So basically, what we are trying to tell here is that 2 months ago, when I was coming back from my tuitions, I got a call from some unknown number, a number which I did not know, and so I did not pick it up and I cut the call or disconnected it. Moreover, I again got a call from the same number after few minutes and I thought it must be of the Amazon agent for parcel delivery and hence I took the call. So as you all can see, instead of saying received, we have used a lot of synonyms like took the call, picked up the call. Okay. So all these will enhance your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. However, upon receiving the call, I figured out that I was mistaken and it was actually from a sales representative from a local boutique which I had been to last year who informed me about the discounts currently going on in their outlet. So figured out means I understood. Mistaken means to be wrong. I was anxious during the conversation about how he found my contact number and he assured me that it was from the customer directory of their store. So anxious means to be nervous. Assured means to convince. Additionally, he also provided me with a special coupon code that was available only for selected customers and advised me of the voucher expiry date as well. So we have given a very good elaboration about the third question, which is what he or she said. Finally, I felt over the moon as I was planning to shop for some ethnic wear for the upcoming festive season, and the discount coupon actually helped me to purchase traditional clothes at affordable prices. So we have used an idiom here which is felt over the moon, which means to be very happy. Ethnic wear means traditional wear, and affordable means cheap. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.